What if I told you that even if your bank account has 0 rupees, you could still scan a UPI QR code and pay for your groceries? Sounds impossible? Well, it's already happening in India through something called Credit Line on UPI. In this video, I'll explain how it works, who's eligible, the benefits, the risks, and whether you should actually use it. Imagine walking into your neighborhood Kirana store with zero money in your bank account. You scan the UPI QR code, complete the payment instantly, and walk out with your groceries. No credit card, no cash, no wallet. So where did the money come from? The answer is Credit Line on UPI, one of India's fastest growing digital lending innovations. While many people think UPI is only for paying directly from your bank account, it can now also let eligible users borrow money instantly through a pre-approved credit line. In today's video, I'll explain exactly how Credit Line on UPI works, which banks offer it, where you can use it, its benefits, its risks, and whether you should actually use it. Let's get started. What is Credit Line on UPI? Let's begin with the basics. Credit Line on UPI, often called CLOU, allows eligible users to make UPI payments using a pre-approved credit limit instead of their bank balance. Think of it as a digital overdraft or a revolving credit facility linked directly to your UPI app. Here's a simple example. Suppose your bank has approved a credit line of 50,000 rupees. Your savings account has only 500 rupees. You visit a pharmacy and buy medicines worth 2,000 rupees. Instead of declining the payment, your UPI app uses your available credit line. The merchant receives the payment instantly. You repay the bank later according to your loan terms. In simple words, UPI is becoming more than a payment system. It's becoming a borrowing platform. How does it work? Here's how the process works. First, your bank offers you a pre-approved credit line. This isn't available to everyone. Eligibility depends on the bank's lending criteria, including factors like your credit history, income, and relationship with the bank. Once approved, the credit line is linked to your UPI ID through a supported UPI app. When you scan a QR code at an eligible merchant, you'll see multiple payment options. Instead of selecting your savings account, you can choose your linked credit line. The payment is processed through UPI just like a normal transaction. Behind the scenes, the bank lends you the amount used for that purchase. You'll then repay it according to the repayment schedule and interest terms provided by your bank. For you, the payment experience feels almost identical to a regular UPI transaction. Who offers Credit Line on UPI? This feature is being introduced by participating banks on the UPI network. Different banks may have different eligibility criteria, credit limits, repayment options, and interest rates. Not every bank currently offers Credit Line on UPI, and not every customer will be eligible. If you're interested, check with your bank or your UPI app to see whether the feature has been enabled for your account. As adoption grows, more banks are expected to roll out this facility to eligible customers. Where can you use it? One of the biggest advantages of Credit Line on UPI is convenience. You can use it for eligible merchant payments wherever supported. For example, Kirana stores, medical shops, supermarkets, restaurants, electronic stores, retail outlets. Instead of carrying a credit card, you simply scan a UPI QR code and choose your credit line. However, availability depends on merchant acceptance and your bank's implementation. Some types of transactions may not be supported. Always check the applicable terms before relying on it for payments. Benefits of Credit Line on UPI. So why is this becoming so popular? First, convenience. You don't need a physical credit card. Everything works directly through your existing UPI app. Second, instant access to short-term credit. Unexpected medical bill, emergency purchase, temporary cash flow issue. A pre-approved credit line can help bridge the gap. Third, wider access to digital credit. Many people who don't actively use credit cards may still qualify for other forms of bank-approved credit, depending on the bank's policies. Finally, the payment experience is seamless. You simply scan and pay using UPI. Risks you should know. Now let's talk about the risks. Just because borrowing has become easier doesn't mean debt has become cheaper. Every time you use your credit line, you are borrowing money. If you don't repay on time, interest and other applicable charges may apply according to your bank's terms. Late repayments could also affect your credit history. Another risk is overspending. Since payments feel exactly like normal UPI transactions, it's easy to forget you're actually using borrowed money. Many people only realize they've accumulated debt when the repayment date arrives. So treat credit line on UPI exactly like any other loan. Borrow only when necessary. Should you use it? So should you use credit line on UPI? The answer depends on your financial discipline. If you always repay on time and use credit responsibly, it can be a useful financial tool for managing short-term cash flow. However, if you frequently spend beyond your budget or struggle with repayments, easy access to credit could lead to unnecessary debt. Remember, convenience should never replace good financial planning. Credit should solve temporary problems, not create permanent ones. Let's quickly recap. Credit line on UPI allows eligible users to make UPI payments using a pre-approved bank credit line instead of using their bank account balance. It combines the convenience of UPI with the flexibility of short-term credit, making digital payments even more accessible. The biggest advantages are speed, convenience, and instant access to credit when you need it. But remember, with easy access to credit comes the responsibility of using it wisely. Borrow only what you can comfortably repay, understand your bank's interest rates and repayment terms, and never treat borrowed money as free money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who regularly use UPI or are interested in the latest digital banking innovations. And if you want to stay updated with the latest videos on personal finance, income tax, investing, banking, UPI, digital payments, government schemes, and smart money tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos designed to help you make better financial decisions. Have any questions about credit line on UPI or another finance topic you'd like me to cover? Leave a comment below. I read your comments and your suggestions often become topics for future videos. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. Stay informed, spend wisely, and I'll see you in the next video.